Hey there, everybody. I'm talking about changing your lights on your truck. This is a Tacoma right here. What happened was brake light went out over here, the right side. And I thought this was a great opportunity to research much brighter brake lights, and then also my reverse lights, my backup lights. I wanted them a lot brighter. So I'm going to show you how to change those out. And I'll change out the one side. We'll wait for it to get dark. We'll look at the difference between the new ones and the old ones, and then I'll off camera probably change out the other ones. But I'll also got a link in the description to the bulbs that I prefer at the moment, and I'll keep updating those links as I keep my eye on the bulbs that are out there. So I'm not going to mention the brand right here on camera, but just look for the links in the description in the first pinned comment. Any other questions on changing these out, let me know. But anyway, we're going to get started to swap these out. What I need to do here is remove the two bolts that are actually holding the light fixture, the light assembly onto the truck. It's going to be this one here and the top one here. Using a 10 mil socket, we're going to get them off. Now you want to grab the light. You want to grab the light and pull firmly down and out. So on the top we have the blinker, the brake light, and then we have the reverse lights here. So we're gonna remove the brake light, the brake light, replace that. We're gonna remove the reverse light and replace that. We want to wear gloves. Basically, you're going to turn it counterclockwise and it pops right out. And I'm not wearing gloves because of it's toxic or anything, but it's more about the bulbs that I'm putting back. You don't want to be touching, maybe LEDs are not as big of an issue. You're not supposed to get your oily fingers on the bulbs. A little turn on the reverse lights, and those came right out. Very easy. Now let's go get the new bulbs and put them in. It looks like it doesn't matter which way you position it. It looks like they'll go in the same either way. Now we've got the reverse light. Okay, this one was a little tougher to get in. Here comes the ice cream truck. Can you hear it? Okay, so now we've got these all connected, and I'm going to put this, remount this. And now we're going to replace one of the bolts so we can test out the lights. What a disaster. I got the ice cream truck across the street. I'm trying to make a video here, and this guy comes on over. Okay, now we're just going to step on the brake light to make sure it works. We've got the reverse lights on now too. The truck running. You can definitely see a difference in the color. We're going to check it in the dark. Well, what did you think about that? Seemed to be pretty easy, right? Well, it is, and you shouldn't be scared about, taking apart pieces of your car like that. The light assemblies are not that difficult. Sometimes they get a little stuck. I had a little bit of that issue. You may have seen that on camera, but in the end, you can change these bulbs yourself. You don't need to have your dealer do it or take it to a repair shop. The bulbs don't cost that much. In the description below, like I said, you can see which ones I'm recommending right now. I'll keep that updated as new lights are come out on the market. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching again.